How to see links you visited on Instagram on Android. This tutorial shows you how to find your browsing history within the Instagram app. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap on the three lines at the top right to go to Settings. Let me show you. At this stage, tap on Your Activity to open your full activity log. Following this, tap on Link History by scrolling down, and scroll through to look for any browsing or link activity recorded by Instagram. Here's an important note. Instagram's in-app browser keeps a record of links you've opened through the app. This is separate from your regular Chrome browsing history and only shows links accessed directly within Instagram. And that's it. If this guide helped you find links you visited on Instagram, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.